In this review, if you like to keep it simple and prefer the reliability of a direct signal over a set of true wireless earbuds, then you are probably keen to know which models on the current market make for the best wired earphones. Those of us with busy lives who find ourselves always on the go enjoy a little musical accompaniment to break up the monotony of the day. Given their smaller size, a decent set of in-ear headphones is often the best way to go. The convenience of an earbud option far outweighs the mightier capabilities of an over-ear headphone set with its larger driver units. Aside from the potential of tangling wires, our only other concern is how well the earbuds stay put within your ears. So with this in mind, this full review has rounded up some of the best designed sets of earbuds for your needs, and you'll be pleased to know they needn't cost the earth either. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. ReviewFindly present top 5 best wired earbuds. Let's get started with the list of the best wired earbuds. Number 1. KZ-ES3 Dynamic Hybrid. Our first wired in-ear headphone set, with a reasonable price, is designed to fit comfortably within the listener's ears. These earbuds have such an ergonomically accommodating design that the model has aptly been named ErgoFit. The earbud tips are angled from the driver units to ensure they sit in a better position. An ultra-soft foam makes up the tips they conform to the ears, providing a snug fit that helps keep them securely in place. The earbuds come with small, medium, and large-size tips to choose from, ensuring an appropriate fit for everyone. The driver units work very well. Panasonic has widened the frequency range in the new edition models. They have much better bass, but manage to provide an excellent balanced sound of higher and lower registered frequencies. Nothing overtakes anything else, which helps keep the audio dynamics well defined. The earbuds come with a generous 3.6-foot cord, which gives the user plenty of length to thread through a jacket or shirt if they want to. They are available in 8 different colors, and the matte, gloss, or metallic finishes present a total of 15 styles to choose from. Why we liked it: they have super soft tips that form an individual fit. Having a long cord gives you a bit more freedom of motion, which is best for those who prefer the freedom of wireless headphones or true wireless earbuds. Number 2. Betron B25 Noise Isolating. Our second selection is the metallic droplet-inspired B25 model from Betron, which does an excellent job of isolating the audio and music and channeling it straight to the listener. These earbuds have slightly wider tips than the model above, which provides a tighter seal in the ear canal. They are very flexible, and Betron provides 3 different sizes, making them comfortable to wear. These in-ear headphones have a strong driver design, which benefits from several processing steps. Firstly, the low end has been enhanced for efficient optimization. The bass control focus extends the low-end frequency range, which gives them powerful low-end capabilities and zero distortion. They also have been chipped to provide ambient noise attenuation that tweaks your in-ear audio to combat the surroundings for the best listening experience and sound quality. These earbuds serve up a full-range stereo sound quality, with vibrant dynamics and excellent clarity. They are made from quality materials, including strong cords with durable, reinforced, high-fidelity connectors. The price is affordable, and they come in a range of eye-catching metallic-colored finishes to choose from, making them the best pair of headphones for those who like to listen in style. Why we liked it: the cords on these best earbuds are braided internally for added durability and covered to help thwart entanglement issues. The drivers are well designed, and the signal processing makes them efficient, enhancing their audio capabilities and sound quality. Number 3. Soundmagic Noise Isolating Earphones Wired. The Soundmagic E11C buck the convention that costlier headphones deliver the best overall quality. The one thing you won't find with these single-driver earphones is a variety of fit options. There are only 3 silicone sleeves to work with. But these $50 earbuds are backed by a savvy 10mm single driver with a frequency of 15 Hz to 22 kHz, a sensitivity of 112 dB, and 42 ohms impedance. All of these stats place the Soundmagic E11C above average, and in good company with higher-end and much more expensive models. The E11C earphones deliver a pleasantly strong and versatile listening experience. You won't just get booming bass from these earphones. Mid-range details and vocals are clear and high-frequency ranges are well detailed too. While the cord doesn't detach, it's made with silver-plated copper cable that is tough against tangling and signal interference. These earbuds also deliver strong microphone performance for phone calls. Type: wired, connection type, 3.5mm audio jack, ANC, none, water/sweat resistant, not applicable. Number 4. Oventree E11C Sports Earbuds Wired. We have another comfortable ergonomic set of in-ear headphones that come with earbud tips for a comfortable fit. The tips are formed from silicone, providing a flexible option that is also moisture resistant and skin friendly. Once again, Oventree provides 3 sizes to tailor the best fit for the individual. This price is more than the first, but offers a little extra as well. For one, full over-ear hooks, such as those often found on wireless headphones or true wireless earbuds, support these earbuds, giving the users much more motion. The hooks keep the earbuds in a place far more securely than an unsupported option, making them an ideal choice for anyone sporty who likes to listen to music while they exercise. Why we liked it: they have a decent build quality and offer a robust sports-focused design. It provides excellent value for money. Number 5. NoiseHush NX80 Earphones. Our 4th choice of best earbuds up for grabs is the NX80 earphone model from NoiseHush. They are a simple in-ear option which has no support system, but are instead fitted with secure-fitting earbud tips that provide a decent seal within the ear to keep them comfortably in place. They have a fantastic audio definition, good for you music listeners, especially given their low retail price, but aside from their driver capabilities, they have won us over with their design. As most know, the wires are the part of any in-ear headphones that tend to go first, but this set feature flattened wires, meaning they are far less likely to tangle up if they are kept in a pocket. They are made with a denser material too that also helps ensure their durability, making them the best earbuds headphones for those who are on the go. These earbuds have an integrated mic with inline controls that are easy to reach and give the user remote access without having to retrieve their mobile. These are the best earbuds for those unable to access their phone. Why we liked it: it has some thoughtful design features which will extend the shelf life of the product in the long run. Thank you for watching. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.